Jai Gurudev, dear students, children, we have completed chapter number 1 and today we will start chapter 2, that is work and play. Okay, so this chapter is related to the work, means work done by different persons and work of different persons we will study in this chapter, and also about play, means different games we can play in the different places. So about various games also we will study in this chapter. Okay, so let's start reading. Family members do so many jobs at home. Are they paid for that? Children, you know that all our family members, they do many kind of work at home. Jobs means work at home. Just like your mother, she cooks food for you. She manages so many things at home. Your father also doing so much work at home. And if your elder brothers, sisters are there, they also help your parents, okay, to do work. So, are they paid for that? क्या उनको इसके लिए पैसे मिलते हैं? No. Okay, so they do them because they care for their family and love them. But the work that we do to earn money becomes our occupation. So children, here the meaning of these sentences is that if your mother does any work at home or your father does any work at home, they are not getting any kind of money for that work. Why they are doing that work? Why your mother cooks food for you? Because she cares for the family members and she loves you and loves all the family members. That's why she cooks food for you, and your father also want to care your family members. That's why he also works for you. Okay, so but children, some persons, if they do work to earn money, अगर वो कोई भी ऐसा काम करते हैं जिससे वो पैसे कमा सकते हैं, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऐसे वर्क को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऑक्यूपेशन. ओके, सो दैट काइंड ऑफ वर्क इज कॉल्ड एज ऑक्यूपेशन. ऑक्यूपेशन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? कोई भी काम या धंधा करना. ओके, सो all of us have to work, means हम सबको ही work करना होता है. We may work either for ourselves or work for other people. Some of us work for a group or an organization. So children, काम तो हर कोई ही करता है, बट कुछ लोग अपने लिए काम करते हैं और कुछ लोग दूसरे लोगों के लिए काम करते हैं और कुछ हम में से ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं जो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और ग्रुप के लिए वर्क करते हैं. Okay, like we are teachers and children, we are working in an organization. Organization means any kind of school or any kind of we can say office. So we also work for group of people, means we teach all the children. So we work in an organization, and for that work we are getting money. So in the same way, different people work in different areas to get money, so that work is their occupation. So earlier men used to be the only earning members in family. Means children, पुराने टाइम में जो men होते थे, जो आदमी होते थे, सिर्फ वो ही काम करते थे पैसे कमाने का. ओके, पैसे कमाने के लिए या कोई नौकरी करना या कोई भी जो वर्क करना होता था, वो पुराने टाइम में सिर्फ आदमी ही करते थे, मेन ही करते थे. अबाउट 50 years back, women were discouraged from working outside the home. Means 50 years before, people didn't like that the work done by women outside the home. Okay, means they discouraged all the women. People, they discouraged means कि उनको बिल्कुल भी वो सराहते नहीं थे, उनको बिल्कुल भी वो अच्छा नहीं समझते थे अगर वुमेन घर के बाहर वर्क करती थी तो. ओके, सो देयर जॉब वाज टू प्रोड्यूस and raise children, but with changing times, women are now working in offices, hospitals, factories, etc. So children, in these sentences they explained that in the olden times जो विमेन होती थी उनकी जॉब क्या थी, ओनली टू प्रोड्यूस एंड रेज चिल्ड्रन. मीन्स बच्चों को पैदा करना और बच्चों को पाल पोस के बड़ा करना. मीन्स घर का काम ही करना उनके लिए अच्छा समझा जाता था और लोग उनको नौकरी करना विमेन का बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं समझते थे. बट टाइम चेंज होने के साथ साथ women also, they started working now in offices. Now you can see in hospitals also women are working, and in factories, in your school also you can see, and in each and every field now women are working. Okay, so in fact they are doing much more than before. They are looking after the house as well as earning and supporting their family. So children, in fact means अभी जो women हैं वो पहले से ज़्यादा वर्क करने लगी हैं। पहले वो घर का ही काम करती थी, बट आजकल वो घर के साथ साथ बाहर भी जॉब करती हैं और उसके साथ साथ अपनी फैमिली को, अपने घर को भी अच्छे से देख पाती हैं, देखती हैं और वो पैसे भी कमाती हैं और साथ में अपनी फैमिली को सपोर्ट करती हैं। ओके, so there are some more people in our community who help us in many ways and get paid for that. So children, in this chapter we will study about some more people. बहुत सारे और लोगों के बारे में भी हम इस चैप्टर में स्टडी करेंगे जो कि हमारी कम्युनिटी में रहते हैं, हमारे समाज में रहते हैं। ओके, एंड हु हेल्प अस इन मैनी वेज, बिकॉज चिल्ड्रन एवरी वर्क वी कांट डू फॉर अस. Okay, we can't grow crops also, and we can't mend our shoes when our shoes torn. Then we go to cobbler, and when we want any kind of repairing work from mechanic, then we call mechanics also. And policemen, they protect us from thieves and all other bad people. Okay, so many people are there in our community who help us in many ways and they get paid for that. उनको उस चीज़ के लिए, उस वर्क के लिए पैसा मिलता है. Okay, so let's see who are those people. Some people work for us in our house and help us every day, like our housemaid, cook, sweeper, gardener, driver and milkman. So children, here you can see some names of people they have given here, some occupations they have written here, that कुछ लोग हमारे जो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं, हमारे घर में आते हैं, वो हर दिन हमारे साथ वो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं वन और द अदर वेज. सो वो कौन से लोग हैं? हाउस मेड, जो आपके घर में मेड आती है काम करने के लिए. एंड कुक, इफ your food is cooked by some other person, then that person is called cook. And sweeper, जो आपके घर में सफाई करते हैं. एंड गार्डनर, जिसको हम माली बोलते हैं, जो हमारे गार्डन को, हमारे जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उनको वो देखते हैं. एंड ड्राइवर, you know, if you have a car and you can hire a driver also to drive that car. And milkman, who gives milk daily at your home. So these all are the persons who work for us in many ways. Okay, they provide us with their services and are paid in turn. So they provide us with services means वो हमें अपनी सर्विस देते हैं, वो अपना काम करते हैं और हमारे लिए काम करते हैं, एंड उसके लिए उनको हम पे करते हैं. ठीक है, उसके लिए उनको पैसे मिलते हैं. Let us learn about some more. Children, here they have talked about some of the professions, some of the occupations, but let's learn about more occupations, more professions. Okay, so first one is the policeman catches the people who break the laws. So what is the job of policeman? Policeman catches the people who break the laws. जो भी कानून तोड़ने वाले लोग होते हैं, जो कानून के अकॉर्डिंगली नहीं चलते हैं, पुलिसमैन उनको पकड़ लेते हैं. They protect us and keep our homes and streets safe. So policemen protect us also, and that's why we feel safe at our home. Okay, so from whom they protect us? From bad people like thieves or some other bad people who can harm other common person. So policemen protect us also from those people. So next is farmers. Farmers grow crops in fields to provide food grains for everybody. So children, you should know that farmers are the person who grow crops in their fields. Okay, and after growing those crops, they send those crops to the market, they sell them, and we can purchase those food grains from the market. So ultimately, farmers also help us to get the food grains. Okay, so next is the weavers weave clothes for all of us. So children, weavers are the persons who weave clothes for us, means who make clothes for all of us. So children, these all the person, their work are very important for us, because we can't do these all the works for us. Okay, so that's why every person has their own work, and they are getting money for their work. And next is the masons and laborers work together to build houses for us and provide shelters. So children, who are the masons? Masons होते हैं जो building work करते हैं, जो buildings बनाते हैं. Okay, that person is called masons. And laborers means who help those masons to join the bricks with the help of cement and sand. So these masons and laborers, they work together to build any house and for us and provide shelters. Shelter is a place of living. So children, when they make a house, then only we can live under that home. So that's why they provide us shelters. So they are also equally important for us. So the teachers teach in the schools and provide education to children. So after this, the work of teacher, you know better, children, that your teachers also teach you in the school and they provide you good education. They give you knowledge of various subjects. Okay, so teacher also help us in various ways, and the postman delivers letters and money orders to us. So children, postman is a person who work in a post office. Okay, and what is the work of postman? Postman delivers letters to the houses. Suppose our any relative, he sent a letter to us, then he has to send to the post office first, and from the post office, postman collect all the letters and he deliver those letters and money orders to us. Money orders means if anybody want to send money to their relatives, then also they can send through the post office, and this postman also delivers money to different people. Okay, money orders, we can say money order to that. So children, this is all about for today. So in the next class we will start reading from the next para. So children, how much I have taught you today, you can read it and try to understand again and again. You can rewind the video and you can see again and again if you not understand anything. Okay, so next time we will continue with some more occupations, with some more professions. Okay, so Jai Gurudev to all of you.